People without chronic pain don't get it, and they never will. Hi, my name's Jim. My chronic pain is due to about 45 years now with thoracic outlet syndrome, and I've also had 3 lower back surgeries, including a 2-level fusion on levels L4, 5, and L5S1. Now, that's one reason I started this channel, was just to put out information mainly about thoracic outlet syndrome, because it's really rare, and you know, just to put out information and talk about things that have helped me, and you know, to be able to kind of connect with other people who have it. And so I guess in a way it's kind of like kind of a support group where, you know, people with what people say a lot of the times is it just makes them feel good knowing that someone else understands what they're talking about, what they're dealing with, and goes through the same thing. I mean, it's a constant battle, like, you know, every day you don't know how you're going to feel. You get up, and I don't like to plan things for that reason, just because, like, you know, say you like plan to do something, you know, a few weeks or a month down the road or whatever, and all of a sudden that day shows up and you don't feel good. Well, then you really don't feel like doing it, and that's like one reason I don't really want to be in a relationship anymore, because you know, if you do stuff like that, you plan it and then you don't feel good and you don't want to do it, then the person is all disappointed. Or if you try to just push through it and do it anyway so they're not disappointed, then you don't feel good and you're not very much fun and you're not really into it. So I found being alone and living by myself, you know, I can just manage the day, like, by the way I feel. Like, if I feel good, I can do a little more. If I don't feel good, I can stay here and I want to just lay down throughout the day because, you know, my back hurts or my neck hurts or whatever it may be. I can just kind of manage it my own way and keep myself comfortable. Earlier in my life, I had to like do a lot of things just to kind of, you know, please people and earn money and all that stuff that you got to do. And, you know, it just, the pain got worse and worse and worse over time until it just finally, you know, caught up with me. But like in normal everyday life, I don't talk about it very much to people unless, you know, they bring it up or that they'll ask me questions about something or whatever. Like when I go out, I stand a lot of the time because it's hard for me to sit with my back, and if I have to get, like, the chair has to be just right, or it'll end up flaring my back up or my neck up or certain things. And some of that stuff will, like, the pain will last for, like, you know, a few weeks after, if it's bad chair or whatever. And that's something that people don't really understand. Sometimes it's not so much that what I do hurts so much at the time. It's those flare-ups that last for like weeks or sometimes a month or more, that just go on and on. Those are what wear you out. It's like, you know, sometimes there's things I can do, but it's not, and the pain is not that bad at the time. It's those flare-ups that really get you. So when I make these videos, I try to be encouraging, and although it's not all like, you know, rainbows and unicorns all the time, anybody that has chronic pain knows that. You know, sometimes these people will, oh, you just got to think positive, and all this kind of stuff, but those are usually the people that don't have pain. So anybody that deals with pain knows there's ups and downs, and, you know, it's going to vary, and your moods are going to vary. And some people that know me pretty well can tell, like, when I don't feel good, when I'm in a lot of pain, because I get really quiet. I really talk too much. But anyway, like I said, that's kind of one reason I just make these videos, is just to kind of encourage people and let people know, hey, I've lived pretty much my whole adult life with pain, and I'm still around. So, you know, just try to, you know, encourage people and let them know that, hey, on those days when you wake up and you think you can't make it another day, I've had plenty of those, and somehow I'm still around. So anyway, if you have any questions, leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time.